Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back for all you that have been here before, and welcome to anybody who's new. So today we got a little bit of a cleanup video. I know we did a cleanup video on the camper special. I've since moved that truck over there, covered it with a tarp. It's gonna be going up for sale a couple different ways. If somebody wants to take it as it is with the parts that I have, you know, price reflect that. If they want me to do the work, then the price will reflect that. So I had a guy said his buddy might express some interest in it and wanted to know some more information, so I sent it to him, and I'm just kind of waiting to see how that pans out before I throw it up on the marketplace or on the IH forums on Facebook, so in the groups. So anyway, today we're gonna work on this one. So today's just gonna be a clean out video. We're gonna get the bed cleaned out, see if it's worth a crap, and then maybe get it pulled off. I'd like to get the bed off of it. I have plans. This truck was supposed to be a parts truck for the brown one under the tarp out there, but I'm not sure. I won't use all the parts, but whatever parts I use off of this one, I'll replace with the ones from the brown one, and then this one is going to be a special project in its own. I'm going to do a rat rod project with it. I think we're going to, I have the means to, in the garage, the detached garage out there, to put a 496 big block together. And I think that's what we're going to put in it. And then put some, you know, tub the rear end, put some big fat tires under it, and then some skinnies on the front, and then give the Mustang boys something to play with when we go out and cruise the streets. So I think they'd be shocked that a big old truck can move that fast, a big old heavy International. Be nice to see a 13-letter shit spreader get into some quick times at the drag strip. I think it'd be pretty neat. So this truck hasn't been on the road since '99, 22 years. So we're gonna get her taken apart. Obviously, you know, the hood, it's a Bluetooth hood. It left the chat sitting right over there. There was only one hinge on it. Surprisingly, you know, everything on the carburetor is free, so that's nice. It wasn't too much of a mess under here. The nice thing about it is this motor is so far forward. There is tons of room to go back for a Chevy. So I'm liking that. So at some point we're gonna try and get this one running. But today, like I said, it's just more of a cleanup video. Get it cleaned up, get it pulled off, hopefully, and all this trash out of the bed. And we'll see what we're working with. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and then we're gonna start cleaning. All right, so now we got the bed cleaned out. It's not quite as solid as I would thought it was at the beginning. There's a little bit right there, a little bit over there, and then up in the front, you can see spots. Yeah, here. There's the bad spots, and there's one over there. But in spots where they normally go, they're solid. This one is a solid bed. So I'm pretty pleased with that. Pumped about that. So now we're going to proceed to cut these 4 bolts. And then we're going to see what else it's going to take to possibly get the bed off tonight. I'm not sure if I'm going to jack it up and crawl underneath it to cut bolts if there's bolts under there tonight. But we're going to see where we can get. So I'm going to set you guys down and we're going to get started. Well, this turned into a little more of a project than I thought. I'm going to get the rest of the bed bolts off, but I can't get these bolts out. I got one out. Can't get the other one out to get the tailgate off, which would have made it really a lot easier to see what's going on, plus get the tailgate out of the way so I can really get in there and work. But then the bucket was rotten, the taillight bucket. So I couldn't get the back one out here, so I cut the wires. I figure I can splice in new wires whenever I get a new bucket and then get a pod. Like I said, this is going to be a rat rod anyway, so this is just kind of experimental on how to get some of this stuff off. It's the first time I've ever done one of these trucks, so you know, see if I can't get the bulb came out of the socket on this one. The bottom of the socket's still down in there, so I'll see if I can't get this off, this bulb out, get this surround out, and then we'll see what's going on. But I figure I'd give you a quick update. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these bolts, this one and that one out, and then I gotta wait till the water dries, so probably tomorrow before I crawl under there and look and see what other bolts I gotta get loose. So we're just about done for the night, but I figure I'd give you a little update here and see what else I can get done here before the sun goes down. So